This 2020 Keystone Alpine 3651RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Kervel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, oven, LP detector, TV, DVD player, stovetop burner, water heater, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Alpine 3651RL is 12,755 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Kervel's RV.